Hello everyone, in this video of Programming with Pal, we will learn about permissions in Linux operating system. In Linux, there are three types of owners of a file. User, the person who creates the file. Group, it is a set of multiple users. When a permission is applied to a group, it automatically gets applied to the members of the group. And then the third is others, which means all the rest of the users apart from the individual owner and the group. In order to learn permissions in Linux operating system, it is important to learn binary number system first. In binary number system, each number from 0 to 7 can be represented using 3 binary digits. Each binary digit from left to right signifies a particular type of a permission like read, write and execute. These are a few examples of how we can use binary number system to set permission for owner, group and others. You can pause this video here and go through them in detail. Without doing any much delay, let's jump directly into the terminal and try out these cool commands. Let us first create a file with the touch command. The name of the file will be data.txt. And then let us check the permissions of this file. By default, you can see here the first 3 permissions are for owner, the second 3 permissions are for group, and the last 3 permissions are for others. We see that here by default read write permission is given to the owner, and the group has only read permission, and others also has only read permission. Now let us try to give read, write and execute permission to all the 3. Now for that we will use the chmod command. After that we will write 777, which means read, write and execute to all the 3, and then we will write the name of the file. After that, let's check the permissions by typing ls-l command. We see that read, write and execute command have been given to owner, group and others. Similarly, we can take all the permissions from all the 3 by using chmod 0, 0 and 0 and then the name of the file. After that, we check the permissions. We see here that it's dash for all the 3. It means all the commands for all the 3 have been removed. Now let us try to give read, write and execute to owner and read and execute to group and others. For that, we will write chmod 7 for the owner and 5 and 5 for the group and others, and then the name of the file. After that, let us check. Here we see that read, write and execute are given for the owner and read and execute for group and others have been provided. Apart from using numbers, there is also another way using symbols to give the permissions. First, let's reset all the permissions for all the 3 by using the chmod command and then 000 and then the name of the file. We see that all the 3 permissions have been removed for all the 3, and now let us give read, write and execute permission to the user. For that, we will write chmod user plus read, write and execute and then the name of the file. After that, we check. Here we see that read, write and execute have been given to the user. Let us try to give read to the group as well. chmod group plus read and then the name of the file data.txt. After this, we check. We see that read permission have been given to group as well. Now let us try to remove write and execute permission from the user. For that, we will write chmod user minus read and execute and then the name of the file. Now we check. We see that read and execute permissions have been removed from the user. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, do click on the like and subscribe button.